Today's video is a golden chance for everyone who wants to create professional cartoon videos completely free. You can make long, high-quality videos with consistent characters, sound effects, and even voiceovers, all in just one click. This video is going to be super interesting, so make sure to watch it till the end and drop a nice comment below telling me how you liked it. So, let's start the video. First, head over to ChatGPT. Here, explain the story that's in your mind using simple words, just like I'm typing right now. Create a 30-second story for a time traveler who journeys through both the future and the past, becomes a hero in every time zone, and uses his abilities to fix the wrongs in the world. In each journey, he learns that motivation and perseverance are essential for any time period. Theme: time travel, self-discovery, and the impact of small decisions. Once you've written the prompt, just click Next and wait for ChatGPT to generate the prompt. Now, ChatGPT has given me the story prompt, but I want it not to give me the prompt in a code block, so I'll tell it again. Don't give me the prompt in a code block. After that, I'll click Next. And now look, ChatGPT gave me the story without any code block. ChatGPT is saying, just paste this prompt into Sora 2, so I'll copy this prompt from here and move to Sora 2. Once you're in Sora, paste that same prompt in the prompt box below. On the right side, you'll see a settings icon. Click on that and adjust the settings according to your needs, like ratio and time length. After setting everything up, simply hit send and wait for a few moments. Your video will be ready shortly. Check the output.
Need a hand?
You know how to fix it?
Together we will. There, you're not broken. Just waiting for someone to believe in you. Every leap, every choice, it all adds up. Kindness isn't bound by time.
Everything looks perfect and accurate. Now let me show you the next method. If you want to create longer videos with consistent characters, for that, go back to ChatGPT and give it this prompt. Now I want to create videos in another model, so give the prompt according to scene by scene. Then click Next, and wait for a few seconds. ChatGPT will write complete scene-by-scene script prompts for you. Here's an important thing. If you already have a character in your mind, describe it to ChatGPT. But if you don't, then give it this prompt. Give me the detailed character prompt to generate it from AI. Click Next, and ChatGPT will write a detailed character prompt for you in no time. Once the prompt is ready, simply copy it and go to Gemini to generate your character. In Gemini, select the Image Model Nano option. Keep the same model selected on the side, and in the prompt box, type in 9:16 ratio create, and then paste your character prompt that you copied from ChatGPT. You can use any ratio you prefer. Once done, click Next, and within a few moments, Gemini will generate your character. Now that your character is ready, if the background or the character's position isn't perfect, just give this prompt. Make the character standing straight and the background should be green or solid. Click Next again, and you'll see Gemini generate the exact same consistent character as before, 100% identical. Now look, the image is generated, and yes, this isn't any paid tool or a company's asset. You've created this character completely free with just a few clicks. Now it's time to generate your story scenes using this character. For that, go back to ChatGPT and copy your scene prompts one by one. For example, here I'm copying the first scene prompt. After copying, come back to Gemini, and in the input box, type. Now using this character, create this scene, and paste your copied prompt below. Simply click Next and now watch the magic happen. The character remains perfectly consistent, and Gemini follows the prompt beautifully, including the facial expressions and poses. Everything matches exactly. Now copy the second scene prompt from ChatGPT, go back to Gemini again, paste it in the same way and click Next. Gemini will start working again. Look at the next image. The second scene is also generated perfectly. Do the same for the remaining scenes. For example, I copied the third prompt, pasted it into Gemini, click Next, and here's the result. The same consistent character again. After generating all the scenes, it's time to convert your images into a video. For that, go to Gemini again and give this prompt. Now give me their animation prompt for Sora 2. Click Next, and Gemini will generate exact animation prompts for your scenes. Now, here's a trick. You don't even need paid voice tools like 11 Labs anymore. Everything will be handled automatically. For that, give Gemini another prompt. Also add narration lines or dialogues for these scenes. Then click Next, and Gemini will handle everything for you automatically. Once all the prompts are generated, copy the first one. It already includes animations, voice, and everything. After copying, go to Sora 2 and upload your first scene image. Once uploaded, Paste the copied prompt below. From the settings icon on the right side, adjust the settings according to your scene, then click Next. Now check the result.
Through the fabric of time, a new adventure begins. For Kai, every jump is a new world waiting to be explored.
Wow. Another one. What wonders await this time?
The dialogues, music, animation, everything has been added perfectly. Now generate the second scene as well. Paste the second prompt you got from Gemini, click Next again, and see the result.
It's no use, sir. This old clock just won't tell time anymore. And without it...
Don't worry, little friend. Every gear has its place and every clock can be mended. Let's see what we can do. Together. There! Just needed a little adjustment.
So, how was the video? I hope you liked it. If you enjoyed it or learned something new, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. And tell me in the comments what topic you want for the next video. I'll see you in the next one. For now, that's all. Goodbye.